The CEO of the Shiba ecosystem, Shytoshi, has just revealed a big update that every SHIB holder needs to see. If you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So, what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, if you want to trade Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage, then sign up to BITUNIX through the link in the description. I have a special deposit bonus offer available right now. The exchange is available to anyone, so be sure to check it out. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 26th of May, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 2,440 units. SHIB's price is down 2% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $291 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $14.3 billion, ranking it as the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Also, make sure you join my completely free Telegram group. My most recent call done over a 4x within 3 days, so people who invested $1,000 came away with over $4,000. The feedback has been amazing, and you are genuinely missing out if you aren't in already. Now let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu's Shibarium skyrockets 60% in key on-chain metric in 24 hours. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has witnessed a notable rise in activity on its Shibarium network, marked by an increase in a key blockchain metric over the last 24 hours. Shibarium Scan reports that transaction volume jumped from 5,150 to 7,930, reflecting a notable 60% growth. This spike in transaction volume has concurrently led to a sharp increase in network fees. The amount of BONE tokens used to pay these fees climbed from 16.68 BONE to 32 BONE during the same period. As per Shibarium's transaction model, BONE are used for transaction fees, and a portion of these tokens is converted into SHIB, which are then burned. This burning process decreases the circulating supply of Shiba Inu tokens, potentially boosting their price over time. Several elements are driving this surge in network activity. Recent market volatility has heightened investor interest in Shiba Inu tokens, leading to an increase in transaction demand on Shibarium. This heightened activity is evidenced by a 13% increase in active accounts on the network, rising from 687 to 781. Notably, while active user numbers grew, new account creation slightly declined, suggesting that the existing user base is fueling this surge in activity. It seems that the dual advantages of rising transaction volumes and the systematic reduction of SHIB tokens through burning are driving the network's growth and potential for future value appreciation. This dynamic is likely encouraging SHIB enthusiasts to remain engaged and continue investing in the Shiba Inu network. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu ETF approval, a new era for cryptocurrency investors. The digital asset market saw the groundbreaking approval of both Ethereum and Bitcoin ETF this year. The development signaled a massive shift in exposure and prominence within the finance sector. With more assets sound to receive similar investment offerings, could a Shiba Inu ETF be on the horizon? There have already been discussions regarding what cryptocurrency could follow Bitcoin and ETH. Standard Chartered Bank has already predicted that Solana and Ripple will get iterations of the ETF in 2025. However, the second largest meme coin by market cap getting its own iteration of the investment vehicle would truly signify the dawn of a brand new era. Shiba Inu ETF launch and a game changer for investors. Over the last several months, the cryptocurrency industry has seen two milestone moments take place. First, Bitcoin received the inaugural crypto-based spot ETF in the United States. Just 5 months later, Ethereum followed suit, with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission greenlighting the project. The latter was a shock to many, with experts predicting continued delay for the ETH offering. Subsequently, with all eyes on what asset could receive an ETF next, perhaps another massive surprise could be in the works. Specifically, what if a Shiba Inu was next in line for an ETF? SHIB is the second largest meme coin with a $14 billion market cap, according to CoinMarketCap. It is only behind Dogecoin, but differs greatly from its competitors in the market. Shiba Inu is an asset continually searching for increased utility, thereby increasing its viability in the cryptocurrency sector. The idea has been embraced by the SHIB army, with Shiba Inu creator Shytoshi Kusama recently addressing prospect. In a recent post to X, formerly Twitter, Kusama congratulated Ethereum and pondered if the approval did pave the way for SHIB. However, Kusama did note that he would stay focused on what we have coming. Additionally, he urged SHIB investors to stay tuned in the post. Although it would be a long shot, a Shiba Inu ETF would truly facilitate a shift in the market. Moreover, SHIB would enjoy newfound exposure to institutional investment and unprecedented gains. Conversely, there is no denying the turning point that the Ethereum ETF has already presented. The field is wide open, as it feels as though Wall Street is as ready as ever to fully embrace the sector. So, why not Shiba Inu? Now it's time for the main story of today's video. 2 trillion Shiba Inu in last 24 hours. Are whales coming back? Shiba Inu whales are on the verge of waking up as transactional activity on large wallets seems to be surging and reaching almost 2 trillion. However, the lack of momentum in the market suggests that it is too early to celebrate, and those transfers might simply be tied to funds redistribution rather than anything significant for the price. Fresh data has emerged that more transactions are happening within the Shiba Inu network. For the last 24 hours, 147 large transactions have occurred, whose cumulative volume is valued at 1.9 trillion SHIB. The activity bounces off a 7-day low of 82 transactions that took place on May 19, 2024. Analyzing surge, a sudden spike in big transactions could mean numerous things. For one, it's a good probability that large holders in the market are just redistributing their assets. This movement of funds might be related to internal wallet reorganizations, with preparations for future market moves or simple asset redistribution for liquidity purposes. All of this fueled the volume of transactions, but the general feeling around SHIB remained pretty neutral. Price showed no actual upward motion and was still close to 2,400 units. The relative strength index confirmed a lack of buying power, as well by staying above the 50-point neutral level. Potential implications still, the fact that actions from such whales are visible gives no clear indicator that the price also necessarily increases. The dynamics of the market suggest that these large moves might actually amount to no new investment, but circulating capital from existing holders. In that regard, the small price effect was affected at best, and SHIB remains within a tight horizontal range. This would require sustained buying pressure and overall market optimism for SHIB to really experience a bull run. Indicators are showing signs of a bullish breakout, but not just yet. Investors watch support and resistance zones at 2,200 units and 2,600 units, respectively, with a keen interest in the level market movement. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comments section below. Let's praise the SHIB holder for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. But SHIB isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I actually curated a list of the best cryptos to buy for the upcoming bull run. Check out the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss it.